Hello friends! In today's lesson, we are going to learn everything about tables in Microsoft Word. We are going to learn 10 easy Microsoft Word table skills that will help you create and edit tables like a pro. First, let's create a table. Go to the Insert tab. Click Table. Select 4 columns and 5 rows. A table appears in your document. Enter the data as shown on your screen. Sometimes we need to add more rows or columns to our table. Simply right-click inside a cell, choose Insert, and then select the row or column you want to add. To delete a row or column, right-click inside any cell, click Delete Cells, and then choose Entire Row or Entire Column. Suppose we want to add a title across the entire table. First, insert a new row at the top of the table. Then, select all the cells in the new row and click Merge Cells. All the selected cells will join together to form one large cell. Now, type the title Student Examination Results. Make it bold and center align it. Now let's split it. Click inside the merged cell. Choose Split Cells. Enter 4 columns 1 row. Click OK. The cells are separated again. Microsoft Word provides many beautiful table styles. Click anywhere inside the table. Open the Table Properties tab. Select Border and Shading. Notice the live preview. Choose any style you like. These options make the table look more professional and easier to read. First, select the cell or cells that you want to color. Then, go to the Table Design tab and click Shading. Choose any color you like. The selected cell will be filled with the chosen color, making important information stand out. Suppose you want to arrange students alphabetically. Select the table. Go to Layout. Click Sort. Choose Sort by Student. Ascending. Click OK. The names are arranged from A to Z. Now, let's learn how to resize a table automatically. Click anywhere inside the table. Go to the Table Layout tab. Click AutoFit. Choose AutoFit Contents to adjust the column widths to fit the text. Choose AutoFit Window to adjust the table to fit the page widths. These options help make your table neat and well organized. Now let's convert text into a table. Type your information using the Tab key between each item. Select the text. Go to Insert. Click Table. Choose Convert Text to Table. Click OK. Your text becomes a neat table automatically. You can also convert a table back into text. Select the entire table. Go to Layout. Click Convert to Text. Choose Tabs as a separator. Click OK. The table changes into plain text. This is useful when you no longer need a table format. Thank you for watching. Practice these features in Microsoft Word to become more confident in creating professional documents. I will see you in the next computer class. Bye-bye.